Let's start section 6.5 on complex fractions by looking at number 7. Now this expression right here is a complex rational expression. You can see we've got say a fraction on the top, a fraction on the bottom. So this is a division, and we know how to handle divisions. What we're going to do is invert this divisor and multiply. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Change division to multiplication by the reciprocal. So let's do this. It's going to be negative 1 over 7 times 42 over 1, right? We're inverting that divisor. And now, what have we got here? This 7 will divide into that 42 6 times. So here's what we're left with now. We're left with negative 1 times 6. That'll give us a negative 6 over 1 times 1, which is a 1, and negative 6 over 1 is negative 6, and that is it. And now here in problem 11, we have another complex fraction. We've got this fraction divided by this fraction, so one fraction divided by another. So let's invert and multiply. We'll take this divisor and invert it. We'll multiply by the reciprocal. So what we're going to have here is 9c to the 4th d cubed over 7c times, let's write it this way, d squared over 3c d to the 4th. And now here's what I see. I see this 3 will divide into that 9, so we can do that. So let's do this. Let's take the 3 into the 9. That'll go 3 times. And it looks like the 7 is not going to divide into anything. So far, I'm going to simplify this top. And doing so gives me 3c to the 4th. Then I've got a d cubed times d squared. That's going to give me a d to the 5th over 7. Then I've got a c times a c. That'll give me a c squared. And I've got that d to the 4th. This fraction will have a 3 up here, a 7 here, and here's what I see. These two c's will cancel with 2 of those 4 up there, giving us 2 c's left up there. And these 4 d's here will cancel with 4 out of those 5 d's up there, giving us 1 left. And I think we've got it.